Lecture 9. Bringing it all together. Step-by-step project creation. What if you are starting a project from scratch without a template or guide? How do you bring everything together into one clear, polished video? That's what today's lecture is all about. We'll walk through the full process of creating a complete project using HeyGen, from writing the script to choosing avatars, uploading media, recording screens, and exporting the final product. You will finally see how all the moving pieces fit together in a real project. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to draft a structured script and choose the best format for your message. Combine HeyGen features, avatars, screen recording, voiceovers, and subtitles into one cohesive video. Finalize, export, and publish your video professionally. Step 1. Start with your purpose. Let's say you're creating a short video to introduce a new productivity tool for students. First, clarify your goal. I want to explain how this tool helps students manage time better. Decide on the length, ideally 60 to 90 seconds. If you're pitching a product, teaching a concept, or documenting a process, keep it short and focused. Step 2. Write the script. Keep it simple. Draft your script in 3 clear sections: introduction, main content, and closing. For example, you create avatar, and for example, we have created one in here. Here you can see the app name is Focus Board and your online study guide. This is the avatar, and this is the background that we have chosen. But for script, you can just click in here and paste the script as we have written in here. For example, the introduction is, "Hi, I'm Alex. In this quick video, I'll show you how Focus Board helps students organize their day in under 5 minutes. You can add tasks, set timers, and track breaks. Let me show you. Try Focus Board for free and see how it helps you stay on track." So this is a script. Use a friendly, conversational tone. No need for formal language or buzzwords. Step 3. Record supporting visuals. Now let's make it visual. Open the app or tool you are presenting and start a screen recording. For example, you open Focus Board, add a new task, set a timer, and demonstrate how the break tracker works. Keep your mouse movements smooth and deliberate. Viewers are watching closely. Save the screen recording and keep it under 45 seconds. Step 4. Choose your avatar and customize the background. Back in HeyGen, pick an avatar that fits your tone. For example, we have chosen this one. Friendly and helpful for an explainer. Confident and clear for a pitch. Upload your screen recording. Set it as a visual in the middle of the video, and bookend it with the avatar introduction and outro. You can use a branded background for product videos or a clean visual with minimal distractions for educational videos. Step 5. Add voice and subtitles. If you prefer your voice, upload your audio instead of using text-to-speech, or stick with HeyGen's built-in voice that matches your script. For example, you can just click in here as this one, and you can just go with HeyGen library, and here you can see you can use any of these. For example, Rudy, Allison, Wilder, Andrew, Patrick, Mark, Brittany, Archer, and any of these. So for example, you just listen to this as we have this one, play this one. It is professional, natural, explainer, ads, and for e-learning as well. So we are going with this one. Close this one. Turn on subtitles for accessibility and better viewer retention. Step 6. Export and share. Watch your video once for flow check transitions, timing, and clarity. Then export in SD format. For example, you can just click in here. First of all, turn on the captions. And for example, you just want to go with this one. Now you will have to click on generate. Just name it as Focus Board Intro and click on submit. So the video has been generated and you can just play it in here. So this is the video that has been generated. You can comment, you can translate, you can see insights, and you can add another captions as well. Now, where will you publish it? On YouTube, if it's educational or public facing. On LinkedIn for professional networking or job applications. As a direct file or link for class submissions or internal communication. This is where it all clicks. You have learned the individual tools. Now you know how to combine them. Whether you are pitching, explaining, or creating something personal. HeyGen gives you the flexibility to deliver your message with clarity and creativity.